It doesn't make you more spiritual. It doesn't make you more pious. It doesn't make you more intelligent. And all that means is you're really, really bad at one of the important areas of life. How about starting to get good at that? You'll feel a lot better about yourself.
You just got jab in the stomach, Jake. That's what I like. It's all about poor people don't build churches, right? Poor people don't build hospitals. That's what I took away from it. Only rich people do that. So I think that's one of the reasons why we should aim to be rich. That's all I'm saying.
So you can help a lot of other people with it too.
You can help people, but it's about being in control of your destiny and having a good life and taking care of your family, whoever else you want to take care of. I want to be in control. I don't want to be, in the back seat getting pushed around, being told what to do and getting the $8.99 chicken. All right. I want a little bit of that surf and turf. All right, baby. Come on now.
Surf and turf.
Here's the cool thing. The richer you get, the less you need that stuff.
Oh, come on.
It's true.
He's had the same conversation with me, like for the last year. It's like, things have been really picking up for us. And it's like, well, you can go out and get this and you want to go get the Lambo or whatever. And it's like, I don't want that now.
Exactly,
that's the ass kicker, right?
Yeah. So hard.
But there are always little intricacies that all of us end up having, and everybody is different. Because I belong to several country clubs and stuff like that, where the people are nice. I don't belong to, weirdo country clubs where the people are jerks. But everyone seems to have the same thing. They're always got something. Like my thing is houses. I don't know why, but I have 5 personal houses now. And, I buy and sell them, whatever. They're all in country clubs or resorts, whatever. I have a crap load of investment real estate and multifamily and all this other stuff, whatever. I don't own a boat. I don't own a plane. I don't wear fancy clothes. I don't go shopping. There's a lot of stuff. I only go a couple of vacations a year because my life is a vacation. If I go, it's $100,000 vacation. I don't know why I like buying, $5-10 million houses all over the place. I don't get to live in them that much, but that's an issue, but I enjoy it. And you know what? The best thing about it, I love bringing my family. I love sending my family to them. I love having my family and my friends come and join us and have a wonderful experience. That's the best part of it.
Mm-hmm.